Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Awin for global affiliate offers, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect with Awin for global affiliate offers, start by visiting the Awin website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill out the registration form with your basic information, including your name, email address, and password. Once you've completed the form, check your email for a verification link. Click the link in the email to confirm your account. Log into your Awin account using your new credentials. Navigate to the dashboard where you'll find various options for affiliates. Explore the available affiliate programs by clicking on the Advertisers tab. Use the search function to filter programs based on your niche or interest. Once you find a program that seems suitable, click on it to learn more. Review the program details, including commission rates and payout structures. To apply, click the Join Program button. Fill out any additional information required for your application. Submit your application and wait for approval from the advertiser. Once approved, you will gain access to the program's unique tracking links and promotional materials. Begin promoting the offers using the provided resources. Monitor your performance through the Awin dashboard to track clicks and conversions. Adjust your strategies based on performance data to optimize your results. Stay updated with Awin's resources and webinars to improve your affiliate marketing skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.